Welcome to AGORACOM, the small cap epicenter of AGORACOM TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing the best press release out of the small cap space every morning at the open, so you hopefully profit from them and may even find your next great small cap investment. It's Tuesday, April the 28th. I got three great press releases for you. Let's start you off first with China Armco Metals trades on the OTC under CNAM. They announced that they secured an ongoing supply of up to 37,000 metric tons of scrap metal per month from local suppliers. I'll tell you why that's important in a second. The company is a distributor of imported metal ore and metal recycler with a new state-of-the-art scrap metal facility in China. Here's why it's important. The company says, as previously announced, the company secured a contract to deliver approximately 23,000 metric tons of processed scrap metal per month for a period of 10 months to a major steel producer in China, valued at about $100 million based on the spot price of scrap metal in March 2010. So that's why the supply agreement's so placed. They're basically securing the materials necessary to meet the commitment, as well as providing with a little additional inventory, because obviously they have more than just this one major customer. So that's a really big win there. I like that. A little about the company. They recently launched operations of 1 million ton per year shredder and recycler of metals, and their customers in China include the fastest growing steel producing mills and foundries in the PRC. Closed yesterday $6.18, 52-week low. Take a look at this, 32 cents. Just an example of what kind of potential sits in China if you can find these companies. On the high side, $11.10. So they're definitely off that. There's some excitement there. So trading about midway range, but go take a look. Anytime you see a major contract like this, $100 million over a 10-month period, gotta like that. Up next, staying with resources, got Blackdog Resources, TSX Venture Exchange, DOG. I love that stock symbol. They announced that they've 250% increase in the net present value of their proved plus probable reserves year over year. These are results of the company's year-end reserve calculations. These are effective December 31st. So keep in mind, we're sitting in April, so the numbers may have changed. But effective December 31st, they increased the net present value from up to $8.4 million from $2.34 million effective December 31st, 2008. Big jump there. That represents a 258% increase. Now, the company does go out of its way to say, and it's a good idea, readers are cautioned that the foregoing estimated values do not represent fair market value, so keep that in mind. The company is a junior oil and gas company focused on the development of light and medium oil properties in Alberta and southeast Saskatchewan. I like this about the company. They say that they're debt-free and generate significant operating cash flow on a daily basis. So do yourself a favor, go and take a look at those numbers. Company has just 21 million shares outstanding, closed yesterday at 36 cents. So you've got a company that's trading just below $8 million in market cap. So depending on that daily cash flow, you may have found a gem here. 52-week low, 22 cents. 52-week high, 46. So the company's pretty much trading dead smack in the middle of its 52-week trading range. And looks like, so go take a look at that. Finally, SNS Silver Corp on the Venture Exchange, trades on the stock symbol SNS. They announced high-grade gold intersection. We're talking about 171 grams per ton of gold over 6 feet. This is at the Emerald Lake Project in Northern Ontario. These are partial assays that have been received from hole GR0929. Highlights from the drill hole include the number I just gave you, as well as a high-grade intersection of 8 feet, averaging 131 grams per ton of gold. So some pretty big numbers there. CEO David Greenway has a good quote here to put into perspective. Quote, "These assays confirm the existence of extraordinary high grades in areas adjacent to the historic mine workings. We're anxious to receive assays on the sampling gaps within the zone and on other holes that will help determine the extent of mineralization along strike and down dip." The company's primary asset is the 100% owned Crescent Mine located in Kellogg, Idaho. The company says it's the only known district in North America to produce over 1 billion ounces of silver. Closed yesterday, 14.5 cents, 52-week low, 8 cents, 52-week high, 27 cents. Nice to see when a company hits these kind of numbers. That's a wrap. As always, if you look for more great small cap news and get stuff to the front page of AGORACOM, we can do three things. Watch this show on a daily basis or watch repeats on our syndicated partners through iTunes, Google Video, YouTube, whatever's convenient for you. 2, check out the best headlines of the day coming out of our sponsors. And 3, go into the marketplace. Great directory there. Succinct descriptions of companies. You can separate that or filter it by industry and exchange to find the ones that best suit your portfolio. That's a wrap. Have a fantastic day. See you tomorrow.